All right, so we have a quickly running faucet here. It's a Delta, so the valve inside went bad. All right, having a look at back here to see if we could at least shut it off when not in use, to save on a water bill till I can pull that. These are pretty corroded. Anyway, all that's going really bad. It's already got a leak on it. This is leaking. It's just so corroded. Yeah. All right, so we do have. Is there any other water running anywhere, or is it just this is the only thing? Yeah. So that's what the level that we have from the shower just running. And then I noticed there's some leaking going on here. A lot of water dripping down from what looks like possible. All right, so we got the handle off. We're now getting the retaining nut off now. All right, I just pulled that off just so I can get a better look at what's going on. All right, so with this one, you're gonna need the bigger wrench to crank this one. Because it's not a normal shower. You can't use a normal shower. All right, well, we finally got the valve out. Not gracefully. I had to basically rip it out, break it up. I mean, it was that stuck in there. So I got the whole valve, all the pieces out of the valve body. All right, so here we are. Got it all cleaned out, all the debris. Now we got this new valve for it. We got little tabs here, and there's the little tabs. So that's what we want to get it in to do. Yeah. Okay. All right, so you got to slide it in, make sure everything lines up. Perfect. All right, let's get that retaining nut back on. All right, tighten him down. And with these, you got to be real careful not to cross thread it, so try to turn it even with it, because you can easily cross thread it. We don't want that. We just want it tight so it can't fly out from the water pressure. But not. All right, there we go. Don't want to overdo it. All right, and then this slides on over this gasket like so. All right. And then this goes back on. All right, we got everything screwed back together. Everything's in. Now we just gotta get the set nut back in. All right, now it comes preset with a limiter here. So you just pull it and just turn it to the left, which I already. So yeah, you can pull it and adjust it, but we're gonna turn it all the way over. So that's how it works. You just pull it out, turn it all the way to the left. It's done. You line that up right there so it lines.